how to install modules on Drupal websites. So if you'll go to the drupal.org site, you can see over here all the contributed modules listed. You can also filter them and search by maybe the compatibility or support which Drupal version it supports, and it will list you all the contributed modules that can be used. Or you can also search over here globally how to install the contributed module called admin toolbar. So if you'll go on the details of this admin toolbar, here it will show you a quick information on what this module exactly does, on how to use it, how to install it, and all the info is provided over here. Also, you can see over here that which Drupal version does this module support. So let us install this module and get these functionalities on this Drupal playground project. First, we will need to install this module using Composer. We can use this command Composer required Drupal admin toolbar, and this will install the admin toolbar module and all its dependencies. Second step will be to enable this module using drush command. Us clear the cache of the website using this drush command. Now the cache has been cleared, and refresh the site. You can see this over here, admin toolbar has been installed and already enabled. Now, as this module provides functionalities like providing a drop down, so you can again go over here on this and just hover on the admin tools that are there, and it will provide you with this drop down which can help ease the navigation of this admin toolbar. So to uninstall this admin toolbar module using this drush command, that is drush pmu admin underscore toolbar. Now here you can see this admin toolbar has been successfully uninstalled. Now let us clear the cache again. Second step will be to remove this module from Composer. That is, we can run this command composer remove and the name of the module, that is Drupal/admin underscore toolbar. So this will this composer will remove this admin toolbar from the composer, and also it will uninstall and remove all the dependencies. Clear and rebuild the cache again. Go and refresh the playground project. I will no longer be able to see this admin toolbar module.